Looking for the best wireless sound systems to level up your audio game? You're in the right place. We upload high-quality videos every day to help you discover top tech and smart product choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily updates. Number 1. Vizio M51AX J6M Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar. Although it's not the be-all and end-all of wireless surround sound systems, the Vizio M51AX J6 defies expectations for its low price of less than $350. It's easy to set up by connecting power cords to the soundbar and subwoofer, the HDMI ARC cable to a TV, and audio cables from the subwoofer to the two surround speakers. The remote control has a handy one-line display that shows info such as the input source, volume level, active sound effects modes, and other settings. Voice control is optional for users who have their voice assistant hardware, such as a Google Home speaker. This system is compact, yet delivers a louder and boomier sound from the speakers and a 5-inch subwoofer than we expected. The 3D soundstage is also quite spacious for this price point, especially for games. Movies and TV shows from streaming apps also sounded great, and Dolby Atmos is supported, although only as virtual processing rather than from up-firing speakers. Number 2. JBL Bar 9.1 True Wireless Surround with Dolby Atmos. The JBL Bar 9.1 system makes it about as easy as possible to enjoy Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and other major surround sound formats. Setup just requires connecting the soundbar to a TV and plugging in alternating current, AC, power to both the soundbar and the large subwoofer. The units sync up automatically. The soundbar has two magnetically attached surround speakers with rechargeable batteries. Place them to the rear right and left of the viewing area, turn them on, and they sync to the soundbar automatically. Then do the audio calibration from the remote control. The surround speakers work for about 10 hours on battery power. When their power gets low, a message scrolls across the soundbar display. While charging from the soundbar, the surround speakers don't function, but the soundbar does. Number 3. Vizio 5.1 Soundbar. A full 5.1 surround system packing Dolby Atmos and DTS. This compact setup includes a 33 soundbar, 2 wired satellite speakers, and a wireless subwoofer tuned down to 50 Hz. With a total output of around 180 W, HDMI eARC connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2, USB audio playback, and quick-fit mounting for compatible Vizio TVs, it delivers immersive, dynamic sound ideal for movies and TV. Control is handled via TV remote, Vizio's app, or included remote, no optical input or HDMI pass-through. Praised for its value and clarity, but note the wired surrounds and modest bass power. Number 4. Nakamichi Shockwave Ultra 9.2 SSE Soundbar. For impressively realistic surround sound and a very loud, low-rumbling home theater experience, the Nakamichi Shockwave Ultra 9.2.4 channel soundbar system delivers the goods for those who have the space. While placing all the speakers took some time, the system connected easily to a TV's high-definition multimedia interface audio return channel, HDMI ARC. Input and sounded fantastic, thanks to Nakamichi's excellent spatial surround elevation, SSE technology, which does a great job of creating a large 3D soundstage full of audible motion. A backlit remote control chooses the soundbar's many audio sources, controls volume for the subwoofers, surround speakers, and the overall system, and selects sound modes such as movie, game, and clear voice, which adjusts the audio mix to make dialogue prominent. Number 5. Enclave Audio CineHome Pro THX Certified Cine Hub. The Enclave Audio CineHome Pro is the first Tomlinson-Holman's Experiment, THX, certified YSA system and supports Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Pro Logic 2, DTS 5.1 Digital Surround, Uncompressed Pulse Code Modulation, or PCM, audio, and Bluetooth 5.0 audio. It is not too difficult to set up, but the biggest challenge may be finding 7 power outlets to position the 6 speakers and the bass connectivity hub correctly. The speaker units are large, but all of them except the center channel stand up vertically, which reduces their footprint. The Enclave Audio Remote mobile app is required to set up and calibrate the system. After that, both the app and remote control operate the CineHome Pro. In use, The many speakers work together impeccably to create an omnidirectional sound field of very detailed and precise audio.